How to edit your PDF file. Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to do this step by step. There are 3 different ways to edit PDF files. 1. Using Microsoft Office. To do this, go to any Microsoft Office file, click File, Open, Browse, select the desired file, click OK, wait until it loads. That's it. Now you can edit the PDF file in Word. In order to save it, go to the file, Save As, Browse, change the file type to PDF and save it. You may need to rename the file. 2. Using third-party PDF editors, for example, Foxit PDF Reader. You can download it from the official website. After a simple installation, go to this program, click File, Browse, select the desired file, click OK, wait until it loads. That's it. The free version of this program does not allow you to edit text, but allows you to highlight, underline, and do many other useful actions. There are other programs where editing is free. 3. Using online editors like Seja, just enter this name in the browser and open the official website, click Upload PDF file, select it. That's it. Seja allows you to edit, change font color, and more. After completion, click Apply Changes and the edited file will be downloaded to your PC. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other guides from us.